Hello to everyone. Today we are going to learn how to open your Adobe Collection softwares. One way to do this is to go to the Applications here, click on this icon and choose, double clicking on the software icon, the software you want to open. Let's start with Adobe Illustrator. If now you want to close this software, you have to go to the menu in the top left, click on Illustrator and then quit Illustrator. Otherwise, you only will close the window but not the software. The second way to open your software is to go to the main bar in the desktop of your Apple computer, select Go, then Application, and double click on Adobe Illustrator. And again, double click. If I close the window, clicking on the red dot on the left, I only close the window, but the software is still there. So I need to go to Illustrator and quit Illustrator. Another way is to go here in the top right of your desktop and write the name of the software. Double click.